What is this? This is your room? What? What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Life. So it is the weekend and we decided to take our kids out of town. We are in SoCal, but before we head to SoCal, we at the outlet. We're heading up to the Grapevine. But other than that, I just want to show you guys all the stuff that we're going to be doing. We're going to be staying at the Great Wolf Lodge, where there's a water park inside the hotel.
It's not lodge.
What is it?
Lodge.
Okay, it's lodge. Thank you for correcting me, my love. And we're gonna do some food venturing. There's apparently a night market in Santa Ana by Bosa Street, and they're gonna have a lot of cookouts. So we're gonna try some food, and we're gonna be sharing that with you. We're gonna share all that with you. It's gonna be a short trip. We're gonna be here for 2 nights and 3 days, and pretty much gonna be here with the kids and having a good time, right?
I can see the mountain.
Are you excited, Colin?
Yeah.
Look at my boy, he's excited. All right, well, right now we at our rest stop right now, right? We at the rest stop. We're gonna go do our little restroom break and maybe shop around a little bit, and then we'll head out to Orange County, y'all. There we go. Come on in, kiddos.
Come on, because I'm hungry.
Bro, you calm down with the hungry stuff. Feels good up in here. Well, that feels good in here. All right, so this is what Colin ended up finding. Look at that, guys. Ooh, this is some nice basketball shoes. How excited are you?
I'm super.
Say thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Dude, when I was a kid, I don't have this. What kind of Jordan is this? Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Why are you excited for?
Because I can go to that park and I can like...
Oh, don't say that. There it is. This is the hotel with the indoor water park. Alright, are we entering or do not enter? We are not doing no valet. We are 4 people. You scared? Why are you scared for? Hi. There it is. Hold it. Let's. Ooh, it looks like it is packed, yo. It is packed. Hey, come here. Sit over here by the bear, by the great wolf. Sit down.
I got it.
Sit down. Colin, your hat. Caleb, get in. Get in. Come here, get in. Yay, Carter, over here, look. Wow, this, wait, let's move this somewhere else. Okay, right here. Ready? Colin. What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Blind channel. So we are here at the Great Wolf Vlog. And how are you guys feeling right now?
I'm feeling excited.
We made it here. How was the drive? Good?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it? Do you nap? Carter, do you nap? Take your hand out of your mouth, please.
3 times.
Thank you. 3 times? Okay, so who wants to go look around at this place? Want to go look around?
Yeah.
What are you showing me?
I don't wanna be a chicken, I don't wanna be a duck, gonna save my life. Oh, right here. Oh, you're gone. Oh, someone's in the spot. Oh, someone's getting carried up the thing.
Wolf Den, huh?
Oh.
All right, hold the door, Colin. Hold the door. Push the door. Hold the door.
Push the door.
All right. Wow. Dang, what you end up getting in here? What? What is this? This is your room?
Did I tell you
We
guys?
got a TV.
What?
You guys got your own TV.
What?
Oh man.
You
Oh, what
you kidding with me?
Oh, this room has a microwave. That's good.
Carter, is this your room?
the? No, this is all of ours.
What? Jeez.
This is actually the best thing in my life.
Oh my God, how lucky are you? Say thank you to mommy.
No, we can watch Netflix.
How come you guys don't say thank you to mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Kaylin, get down first. Get down first. You can climb up later.
But
Wait, you guys have your own TV in here?
yeah, and we can watch. Mommy, look, we're watching Netflix.
What? Mommy can look through the window?
You guys have a window?
Yeah.
You guys have a cave?
What? Carter, what was that?
We
Okay.
live
All right,
in
let me see. Where's the restroom? So they got a mirror right here. Okay.
Colin, this is the wolf.
You know I like to check the restroom first when I go to any places.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Okay, it's clean. It's clean.
Hey, so we don't have to fight over
Come on,
the
where's the light? Yeah. You know what? This is perfectly fine. This is perfectly fine.
That is tiny.
Yep, but it's perfectly fine. But look at this.
This is what costs a lot of money.
Look at this. This is what costs a lot of money in this room right here.
Come out.
Oh, there's a little mouse. You scare me.
Seashell.
Colin!
What happened?
Why are you climbing over her?
Hey,
I was in my.
if you guys are making this a dangerous area, mommy and daddy gonna sleep in this room.
No, I am.
Okay, just letting you know.
Good job.
Fine, it's fine. Are you excited? it go again? I'll see you down there, okay? Oh, wanna get your floaty? Oh, the other floaty's in the car, huh? No, it's in the hotel. Yeah, yeah. Colin doesn't need it. Colin. Good job, Kaylin. Kaylin can swim. Say what happened?
When I went down there, I wanted to scream, but I just stayed quiet.
Oh, really? No, how do you feel when it dropped? The first drop?
It felt like one of those rides where they drop you.
And then how do you feel when it goes in circle?
Hypnotized.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you go backward?
No.
It's cool how it goes into that little hole, huh? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
No.
You want a towel?
No.
Get a towel, okay?
No.
Is that cool?
I'm gonna go first.
So how would you explain with that one? The orange one? He was in mid-air. At what point? When it dropped?
Yeah. So this was the slide that
Ooh. Were you scared?
yeah.
Did your heart kind of drop a little bit?
And my heart didn't drop.
Your stomach did,
Uh-huh.
Yep. Go. What kind of food they have in here? French fries, chicken wing, nacho. I got those. Kaylin went over there and did that thingy. She almost fell in the water. Let's go on the yellow one, thank you. Hey, let's go on the yellow one. Yeah. You want to do it? Got a battery? You got it? Come back! Hi. Alright guys, so it is 8 o'clock. That's when they let everyone out of the pool park. So now we're just getting back to our hotel. We're gonna go out and get some food to eat. That's what we're gonna be doing. Yep, 8 o'clock is when they close everything down. Now the only thing that's open is probably the restaurant and the arcade. Taylor, do you have fun? Why you look so sad? You have fun? You want to go do the bowling later?
No.
Arcade? And win ticket? Okay, kiss. Colin, come here. Let's end this video. You guys have fun today? Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and end our video for dinner, right? We're gonna go out to the night market. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and
if you want to see part 2, it's tomorrow.
Alright.
Wait until tomorrow.
Later.
Bye.